Okay, okay. The first thing, when you do, you know about the advantages of these editor tools, Overleaf, that because it is a online tool, so you no need to install your packages and no need to worry about compilations and other things. Only internet connection is sufficient. So from Google page, you just type first. We have to go the window www.overleaf.com. So please, guys, do with me. Then you will be very clear. If I will go first, then please take. I can't elaborate. The fun here, when I write this overleaf.com, then this page will appear. Okay, so no need to do the your separate account. You can open it nicely with this account, your Gmail account. You can nicely open these things. So all of you log in here. Please do it practically with me. Cooperate me. Now this is the window. Here in the leftmost corner, you can see here all the titles are here, and in middle panel, and you already introduced with it. So now I want to show you. Suppose you want to do one project, that is blank project. Then you put your name. Suppose my first project. My first project. So your project will be created. So in the leftmost panel, the title bar is there. Here I have created one project. So here main.txt file is here, and in the middle panel, here the source code is there, and here the PDF version. So uh, it is the most beneficial things that you can write your source code and simultaneously you can see your PDF. It is the advantageous versions of the overlay, and here the layout is there. So if you want to open, if you can want to see the editor version, that is only source code, that you can change your layout as per your own choice. So in this way, here by default it will open by article, and if you want to change the name of the title, suppose this is paper, then it will change. So how far you are up to this, you have clear idea about overlap, I think. Now I want to show you how can you search for the template for the conference paper. Okay. So suppose you did your survey, as Sadipta sir told you that how to do survey, and suppose you did your survey and now you want to put your all the effort in paper in terms of the here template portion. You just click in the template, and then all of us has we want always want to submit our paper in good conference. So IEEE, I'm searching IEEE conference. It's one of the popular conference, so I searching that IEEE conference template. So here you can find the IEEE conference template. So directly you just click here penance template. Then you can see the same panel is here, the leftmost panel in leftmost plane panel. The titles are there, here source code is there, and here the PDF format, what you want. Okay, so it is a IEEE conference format. So how we can put our things. So from here you see this is document class is conference, that is IEEE transaction conference. So if you want to search a more Elsevier conference or others conference as you want, so you can search from this template and it will, all things are ready. You just put your write up here. So here you can see that is conference paper title. That is conference paper title. Here title is there. The conference paper title. Suppose my first research paper. So if you put Ctrl S, that it will automatically compile. Okay. So I remove the star and Ctrl N again. So you can see here the paper title has changed. So you just put your title like a survey of current issues of cyber security. So in this way you can write. Okay, Control S, put Control S. Now the title has changed. See how nicely it is representing. Next, here you can see that there are 6 authors. Okay, so all the templates are here. You just put your name. So where is the first author you want to change? This is the first author. Okay, the first author name I want to change. Suppose Mampi Devi. You can put your name also. Mampi Devi. Okay. Mampi Devi and department here at this or of the organizations. That is Department of Cyber Security and Digital. So guys, please do with me. If you find problem, then please let me know. Digital forensics. Okay. Control S. And country Agartala. Sorry, city Agartala. Country India. An email address. You can change our email address. mampi.dei@nficu.ac.in. Okay. And now you compile. See, here the name of the author has changed. First author name has changed. Okay. So in this way, this and sign is for this space. Okay. So in this way, you can put your second author name here. Second author name. Suppose your supervisor name and department of IT. So your supervisor name, suppose Jantapal. Next, Department of Information Technology. Information Technology. Okay. So in this way, you can change or author name. Okay. Suppose there is no need to write the 6 author, because most of the time you have 2 author or 3 author. So just you delete it. So don't delete the last this last braces, because this braces is connected with this one. This one. So you don't close the author. I just delete like this, and okay, delete it. Delete. Compile it. So you can compile both the way by clicking. I think some portion has been deleted. Extra portions. Network is so slow. Current is not. I'm doing from my mobile. Oh, yeah. And document. So we know that how we change the title of the conference title. My first paper. So if error come, that is you have to delete something very carefully. I have deleted some portions, that is some braces. So here you can, here you write these things already in your laptop. So here you delete something, some author name. Okay. Suppose this author you want to delete it and recompile it. So here you can see that one author has been deleted, and second author. This is also learning for you that if you delete carelessly, then this will not show error. So see, the one more author I want to delete. So whatever you do, you just do it carefully. Okay. Previously, I just deleted some other portions, so this shows error. Now it is the abstract portions. So in paper, we know that how to write abstract. So here begin abstract and end abstract. So in between that, whatever the portion you have deleted and write your abstract. Suppose I am copying one abstract from here, copy and paste here. Now you can see the changes. You can write the abstract. Okay. Next, the terms is keyword. Keyword, all of we know that keyword by which you can search our paper. So suppose this keyword is IEEE, and this paper is research paper. Suppose one is security, because it is challenges security. The security is the keyword. So if you compile, you can see the key terms here changes. Okay. Next portions, introduction. So here introduction sections is there. You no need to write you again. You just put your portions in this introductions. Suppose security issues. Then nowadays the email security is very much. Security is very challenging for us. Challenging for us. So in this introductions part, you can write this sections. Okay, compile it. This time, email security is a very challenging part. So I recompile it. Now under these sections, you can create it more subsections also. So if it is here, that subsection is here, so you can write under these sections in introduction part, under these sections, some issues and challenges. Whenever you do survey, then you will find out, you come out with these issues and challenges. Suppose subsection is issues and challenges. Okay. So from here, I am copying some portions of the subsection. Suppose research highlight. It's not copying from the PDF. Okay, issues and challenges. Suppose you want to highlight your issues and challenges within some units. Okay, so how can you write? Begin slash backslash begin, then itemize. ITEMIZ. Okay, itemize. So whatever you start, you have to end it and itemize. Okay. So within these things, you just highlighted your things. Suppose found some papers item. Okay, item. You write space first item, then space, and you write that every time in account spam has been created. Every time in account fake mail has come. Reason is that suppose something you have written. Again, another highlighted issue you did in your research. One issue says that we forgot to log out sometime. So it has chances of hacking. Chances of hacking. These are the highlighted portions. Suppose you have written. Oh, here item. 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 Okay. So see after compilation what happened. So here the point the unit search there. So in this way itemize. Instead of itemize, if you write it is enumerate, then what happened you see. Suppose copying this thing. These things I will copy and I will write control V itemize. If you write enumerate, compile it. So what is the difference of that? That is 1, 2 has come. Numbering system is come. So in this way, you can highlight your issues and challenges in the survey papers, or if you're doing some papers that in all paper, if you practically give this highlighted portion, then it will be very benefited for the users also. And next things, the sections, subsections, we already discussed. And itemized, that is unit already I have discussed. Now these equations portions. So you see, how can you write these equations? You have to write first, suppose here equations are already there. If you want to change, it is okay. Suppose I want to change these things. I want some equations. So here equations portions is there. So suppose omega equal to 2 pi f I and then f. Okay, 2 pi f. So you compile it. Now you see, if your paper is lengthy, you want to find where this portion in PDF after compilations. So you just go through it. This arrow. You see here omega equal to 2 pi f is there in the equations I have modified. So after writing equations here, you can see that is label. Label means that you are naming something. Suppose this equation's name is omega. Okay. This equation's name is omega. Label. I have labeled it omega. So how you cited these equations? You have written one equations and you have to cite this equation. So how you cite this equation? Suppose ref, you have to write reference. Here I am cited. The value of we can calculate the value of omega, omega from equations. Then how can you refer these things? By putting backslash ref refer and second bracket, that you just put this name, labeling name. Okay, compile it. I want to see it. How can you see this code? If you click this arrow sign, then yes, this code we can calculate our omega by equation 2. So you can see that automatically those equations number has been created and automatically it will show. So you see here that is equations, after that no space is there. So you can write by tin sign, then you just see that here gap is there. So in this way you can refer your equations to the site. You can write in your equations. The next portions I will discuss about how you write the table in paper. Okay. So here other things is only copied. You just copy it. So these are the major things so I am discussing with you. You can copy these things. Table, you want to create a table. Here begin table is there. These are the format, that is captions. Type table. Suppose your table name you want to change. Captions means table name. Okay. So you can change your table name. Your table name uh, 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 different types of, suppose different types of attack. Okay. We see here different types of attack. Here it is changes. Okay. Can you see in your page also? If you want to see it, only it is, you see here. In this layout, PDF only, you can see here different types of attack. Okay. Next table, I put this layout and I'll send it back. Okay. So it is the table name. Captions. Captions means that any name. Okay. If you want to change the name, then in this table name will be changed. Okay. And this represent as a column. The how many column are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 column. So you can add more column also as per your requirement. You can delete one column also. Only 3 column are there. And these are the row. These are the column in table, and this H line is represented as a row. Suppose you want to create it one more row. Okay. Want to create H line. Sorry. You want to create one more row. Suppose attack. You have to put dollar sign between the column. Attack, that is phishing attack, and then since there is 4 column, then you have to write 4 dollar sign, because for every column it is represented by the dollar sign. So phishing attack, and then you just write nowadays it is 6 and another one is 6. Okay. Then recompile it. You see one thing, the table has been created but the line is not there. Okay. So how can you put it? H line. You have to put H line. Then one column, more column is delete it. Control C. I will do it before the multi column. Here. Oh, actually the size of the table is more, so it is 2 column. So you have to put these things. That's one. It crossing the boundary, so it shows. Yeah. Or sample of a table content. Okay, here you can put how many column? 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy one line. Each line, copy more content. See, here, suppose edit it. Tab in. You see, edited portions are there. Here you can change or edit, and you can also add more column, and you can also add more row by using this H line. Okay. Next, the figure portions. So how can you write the figure? So you have to write begin figure and end figure. It is compulsory. The format is there. You have to just edit yourself. The figure is figure1.png. Suppose you want to add more figure, then you have to upload these things. One figure you want to upload from the desktop. I will upload it one figure here. Okay. Uploaded one figure. You go to the upload and just drag and drop this figure. See. Oh, this one I have uploaded. Just copy it and in the text file, the figure, you just change it. You see where it is? Here this. So you have to changes the size. So how can you changes the size? In Google you can see also the figure plus overlay. Here you can find the code. And here this width, suppose include graphic sketch. This one here you can add. Here include graphics is there. In these portions you just put it. Include graphics width and height. Then what happen you see. So as per your requirement, you just width and height, you just adjust it. Okay. So in this way, you can add figure. Now the last things. So what we require, all things are there like Maggie. You have to just put one water and just boil it. So it is like a Maggie, the Overleaf editor tool. All things are there, all templates are there. You just put your work and you have to modify these things. So now it is the presentation, the how to search your template, that if you want to submit it into IEEE conference, if you want to submit it into the Elsevier conference, then you find it, or journals, or from the template you can know everything. Okay. Suppose in home button, you see the others templates are there. Yeah, IEEE conference, it is already created 2 minutes ago, and you can also share your work with others. Download, copy these things. Okay, actions. You are owner. Okay. So here you can also search for other template also. Suppose journal template. Oh, other things I did not discuss. Very important things. It is reference. Oh, just want to show you. Journal template. It is search. You can search here. Main thing. These are the journal template. So we will go in our account. Projects here. We did not show the most important portion, that is reference portions. So if we submit that in our research thing, the reference thing is very much necessary. So it is very important section. So we can put reference by two ways. One is by using the bib text. Another is if you want to make your own repository for reference, then it is also. So here I am showing you that if you want to write the reference by bib item, because here the journal is IEEE transactions, so they will prefer the reference style like this bib item. By using bib item, you just put your reference. So how can you find the reference thing? Scholars Google. Sir already told you that how to search the paper from the Scholars Google. So Scholars Google. Suppose here you want one paper that it issues and or survey of security. Okay, security issues. So here this paper is there. So in this double quotation you can see the citations. Okay, so if you want for a bib item, then you can just take from here any one style, which one you want to prefer, just copy, and then in bib item you just write it. Just write it and then compile it. Layout, previous layout. Then here I have changes the reference portions by putting only the B item. Okay, have changes already. So it is not so difficult for IEEE transactions conference paper B item. But what happen if you want to do your own bibliography file? Then how can you make your repository? Suppose you have read 10 papers, you want to put this record. So you can make your own repository also. And other things I want to discuss, that these are the searching technique. You can search the journal paper, you can search the conference papers, and you can do. Suppose you have already made one paper and you have one template already, then how can you upload this template? Okay. Sir, I think in mail, sir already given one template. I think all of you have this template. Hello? 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 Anyone please give me answer. Do you have this template? Sir have already mailed you. Hello? Yes, we do. Okay, thank you. So you just download this template. Sir also send me this template. This template. So in your Tripura University for research publications or for thesis submissions, there are some special template. So you just download this template. Okay. Right, then it is downloaded. So you just keep it. Okay. Now I will show you that how you upload this template. The Overleaf portions. Okay. Here you can see new project, upload project. Okay. You just drag and drop this template here. It is uploading. So far we have discussed that how to create the conference paper as per our requirement, how we submit this conference paper, how can we search this conference paper, how can we produce different types of document in article. So here I have uploaded, all things are uploaded. So if you want to do some things in your template, it is very easy. See the PDF, all things are uploaded. So you just download it. If the template is already, I think in Tripura University website for research publications or for submitting the thesis, there are template are there. Okay. So from here you just download it and you upload here. or in this way it can be present. Now you want to change the title, you can change here your title, a survey on research issue on topic. Suppose a survey on new technology, new tools and technology. This is for your revisions. Technology. So here you can change. Okay. A survey on new tools and technology. Okay. Here also author name you can change as your name. Suppose Pinky, Pinky, and Jasmine, Jasmine. Okay. So here actually this address you can change your address here. Department of Cyber Security. Okay. Suppose Department of Law and Tripura University, and Department of next author is from Department of Electronics Engineering, Electronics Engineering. Okay, Tripura University. So here, suppose abc@gmail.com, or here xyz@tripura.ac.in. So if you change, what happen? Here Pinky Devi, author has changed Pinky Devi, then Jasmine, Jasmine 2-star. That is, this is the format of Tripura University site. Okay. So you can change as per your want. Department of Law, Tripura University, Department of Electronics Engineering, Tripura. It shows error because of this ABC. When you write it, then it will be okay. Okay. So in this way, map title. It is not in the format, so it will show error. Okay, you can change. Hello. Next, in abstract questions, same thing is here. You can change your abstract.
ওই সাইকেল
This is my
এটা দিয়া না নিশ্চয় মিশে দিয়া
paper. This is my first paper. I want to write in Overleaf. Compile it. Okay. This is my first paper. I want to write in Overleaf. So keyword is here. Also keyword is there. To loop the everything is different, but all things are same. Only templates are different. So as per your template, as per your requirement, you just download the template and you can just edit the things. The introductions, then subsections, how can you write? I already discussed, and everything's paper organizations here, so one subsections is there. So here I will discuss about the all things tables. Here tables are there in this format. Tables are there. Suppose if you want to add one more line, copy, then paste. Okay. So here you want to change MCA 6, MCA 6, informations, informations, and then informa substance, then value is suppose 20. You want to add one line. It is quite easier than the previous one. So you see table, where is the table? Here. Previously it was up to MC5. Now you can add one more column because I did not see before this. You can modify one column again, MCA7, and here value is 25. Okay, 25. See how this modification has happened. Okay, so here we can edit the previously I show you the how two columns are representing. So you have to make it two column or one column. Whatever the template, you just put it. Okay. Next flowchart algorithm, you can write your own way. Now the portion is that reference portions. Okay, how you make your own repository for bibliography. Previously, I discussed about the IEEE transactions papers, that how can you write the bibliography, how can you write the references by using the bib item. The bib item is very easy, but if you want to make your own repository, that you have to create one bib file like this. Suppose you have created already created so one bib file, so you can change your name also. Okay, so in this bib file, these are the reference. Suppose I am deleting this one. You read 10 papers. I'm just deleting this one. You read 10 paper and you want to collect the bibliography and you want to make your own repository. So scholars Google, go. I had two papers are there, the gesture recognition. So here one paper is there, citations. So previously we copied from here because that was the bib item. You can modify. But if you want to make it own bibliography repository, then you have to take from here bib text. You see, this is very important things. The bib text portions you just copy. Okay. Do you know how this repository will make? Here in this file, just okay. It is 15, it shows 15 error because all the files I have been deleted and here it is not found, so it is shows error. So not an issue. Now you want to refer these things. How can you refer from this bib item? You just copy this name. You can change also this name as you want. Suppose rocks. Okay. This name is only you can change and you can cite it in the text file. And this is the text file. I think. Yeah. Suppose in these portions, after table, I want to cite it. Our proposed smart monitoring system using internet in sections. Suppose in sections, I want to cite here my paper. CI PE, site, control P. Compile it. Here see, only one item is there. So here it is come that it is one. I have cited here now. You can see here. Here it is cited. Suppose another file I want to come. Real-time classification of databases. Citations, go, read text, and then we copy it and store it in the bib file, .bib. Okay. And this portion, if you modify it, it's okay. Otherwise, you just refer this one. Copy and in the text file, here, suppose here. After this, I have cited. Cite. How to cite? Citation, for every citation, you have to write this cite, /cite. And for reference, it is /ref, reference. So it is bib item or from your repository, you just call it. So you have to write this cite. Okay, it is same. But things is that format is different in the bib item and bib repository. So here it is already come because I have uploaded. Okay. Compile it. And see, this is the above system is stored. Okay. So now all the things are ready that you can write figure and everything, the reference or everything. So my paper is ready. So you can see your paper. Only the PDF version you can see. PDF only hide editor. Okay. This one. Your paper is ready. So it is 2 column or 1 column or everything you can write as per the template. So you see the reference. I have downloaded 2 reference. So here 2 reference come, 1 and 2. So the pictures I already show you. So here if you want to see then how to these pictures. Oh, I already told you that how can you upload the pictures and how can you write these things in include graphics. I already discussed. Switch the PDF. So if your PDF is ready, then you can download from here. Okay. Now, good thing of the Overleaf is that you can share with group of people that you have you are writing and you are modifying and your guide your supervisor is also modifying with you parallelly. That you can share. So this paper is ready. You can see your paper. This is the paper. Okay. I have changes here. Here I have changes the author name. So nicely it is represented 1, 2, then 1, 2, star for the corresponding author. So everything is ready. You just submit it. So in this way, we have discussed. We can know that how we do these things. So before that, what a problem was there that if you write, if you want to submit in IEEE conference, so before when you write the paper, that in for IEEE conference you have to make one template for IEEE conference, and you make another template for the Elsevier conference. So it is very time consuming. For journal you have to write again with the format, so it is very much time consuming. So now if you prepared one documentary file, then you can upload as you wish, as your own template, as your requirement template, you can upload it. And another things is that problem is that if connection is failure and network is slow, then there must be some problem. But others, all things are good for Overleaf. So we have to give thanks to Overleaf that they make easy, so make easy. I have to give the less effort to preparing the format. So I think you will be benefited for this. And if you have any query, so far we have discussed in today's sessions that how to create the conference paper template by using Overleaf tool. Okay. So I think it is completed. So if you have any questions, then you can ask me. Any questions, audience? Participant? I think people have no questions. Ma'am, what if we don't have any format? That you just write in your document, and if you want to submit as per their requirement, you just put it your things to this format. You just your document in any kind of format. You can copy it easily. Because someday you will submit it anywhere, like a journal or conference. Na? You are preparing some notes, that is, you have to publish these things. So whenever you go for the publishing, then they will ask you for this format. They will give you the format that you just put it on this format. Okay, everyone have their own template. So you just take any format, IEEE or conference, or one column format or two column format. You just put your write up in there. Any other questions?
Participants, any question from your side? So, madam, maybe all have understood, or maybe nothing was. So, so if the participant have no questions to ask, uh, if you later feel that you have any question, you can contact madam through her email address, or maybe Tripura University students can contact her directly. She is staying at Tripura University campus only. So thank you, madam, for your nice talk and hands-on session on latex using Overleaf. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So I think I can termine from here.